In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pictograph chart in Excel. This is a fun and visual way to display ratings or survey results, so let's jump right in and build it together step by step. Start by opening your Excel workbook that contains the data you want to chart. Once your spreadsheet is loaded, click on cell A1 to set your starting point for the selection. Now hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click cell B6. This will highlight the entire data range, including the headers at the top and the 5 rating rows underneath them. With your data selected, move your eyes up to the ribbon at the top of the Excel window and click the Insert tab. Look for the Charts group in this tab, and within that group, click the Insert Bar or Column Chart icon, which looks like a small bar chart picture. A small drop-down menu will appear. Under the section labeled 2D Bar, click the very first option called Clustered Bar. A bar chart will instantly appear on your worksheet showing one bar for each rating in your data. Next, let's clean up the chart and give it a proper title. Click on the chart title placeholder at the top of the chart to select it. Now, triple-click to highlight all the placeholder text, and then type the new title, Customer Feedback. Once your title is in place, look at the horizontal grid lines that run across the plot area behind the bars. Click on those grid lines to select them, then press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove them completely. After that, click the outer border of the chart and drag one of the corners to resize or reposition it so the chart sits cleanly beside your data. Now we're going to open the Format Data Series panel and tighten up the bars. Right-click directly on any one of the colored bars inside the chart. From the context menu that appears, click Format Data Series. The Format Data Series pane will open up on the right side of your screen. Inside this pane, click the Series Options icon, which is the small bar chart icon near the top. Find the gap width setting and either drag the slider or simply type in 30% to bring the bars closer together. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now for the fun part. We're going to fill the bars with a stacked icon. Stay inside the same Format Data Series pane and click the Fill and Line icon, which is the small paint bucket icon at the top of the pane. Expand the Fill section if it isn't already open. From the list of fill options, select Picture or Texture Fill. Underneath, you'll see Picture Source, and right below that, click the button labeled Insert. This opens the Insert Pictures dialog box. In the dialog, click the option called From Icons, or simply Icons, depending on which version of Excel you happen to be running. At the top of the icon library, you'll find a search box. Click into that search box and type the keyword People. A list of matching icons will appear on screen. Look through them and click the single person icon you want to use for your chart. Once that icon is selected, click the Insert button in the bottom right corner of the dialog. Each bar in your chart will now be filled with one stretched person icon. Back in the Format Data Series pane, look again under Picture Source, and this time, click the Stack option. The moment you click Stack, each bar will transform into a row of repeating icons, with one icon representing each unit of the value. And that's it. You now have a complete pictograph chart, where every rating is shown as a row of stacked person icons. The longest row representing excellent sits at the top, and the shortest row representing very poor sits at the bottom. The best part is that if you update any value in column B, the number of icons in that row will adjust automatically to match the new figure, keeping your chart accurate without any extra effort.